Safelyyyyyy. I'm talking melanin. I want that chocolate fix like I'm snacking on some M&Ms. I like the way you curve, like your body's from the ancients. Put my fingers through your hair, shake your curves, cause you amazing, you a black queen. Cause I see you chase your dreams. They try to hold you down, but his hands about your means. Like
hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I just want to say, I don't know what day this video is going up, okay? I don't know. As soon as I said, oh guys, I'm posting Tuesdays and Fridays, my schedule literally got messed up the next day. So, I don't know. But that's not the point. Just turn your notifications on so you'll be notified of when I post, because I don't know what I'm posting anymore. It's just gonna come when it comes, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, for today's video, I am coloring my hair. I'm so sick and tired of this burnt orange color. I know some of you guys like it, but this is not the color I signed up for. Okay, it's not. My hair is supposed to be red, hot red, spicy red. I feel like it just kind of goes with my personality, and like this brown, it's a little too mellow, a little too calm for me, so I'm gonna dye my hair. The problem that I have been having, first of all, red hair is so hard to maintain. It's hard to keep your hair red. Red fades so fast. It's hard to have healthy red hair because if you continuously dye your hair, you're gonna damage your hair. So I picked up this little baby, this Overtones Vibrant Red Coloring Conditioner. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm not getting any coins from this company. I bought this with my own dime. It's a coloring conditioner, and I looked at the ingredients. It looks pretty safe. The first ingredient is water, and then there's, y'all know I can't read, cetearyl alcohol, I don't know, but it says from mixed plants, settle, I don't know, alcohol from vegetables. There's sterile alcohol from vegetables, glycerin from vegetables. I don't know, all this sounds really good, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use this to dye my hair. It's very red, like, sis. This is red, okay? Where are we going with this? Clown school? I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that and show you guys what the color does for my hair. They also come in a whole bunch of different other colors. So, yeah, you guys already know. Like, this is not even a surprise anymore. Like, we know my hair be toe up because it just do. But this is the color of my hair so that you guys can see the before and after. This is what my hair looks like. So this is the brown. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I apply this conditioner, this coloring conditioner to my hair. I just washed my hair and it's still pretty soaking wet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in this leave-in, no, it's not leave-in, this deep conditioner like I showed you guys last night. You really should probably do this in the bathroom, not in a room that's full of white furniture and carpet and stuff like that. But you know, I have better lighting over here, so that's why I'm doing it here. Okay. Now, okay, so I'm gonna use like medium-sized sections. I'm not gonna do it too small, but another pro tip, definitely make sure you use gloves. The first time that I did this, I don't know if you're following me on Instagram, but I didn't use gloves and my hands were red for like 2 days. So we're not doing that, especially if you have on like any type of acrylics or nails. You can just throw red hair right out the window because your nails are gonna get messed up every single time. It's just part of the plan. I'm gonna speed through this part a little bit, but I just wanna show you, I'm gonna use about this much. And I'm going to just put it throughout my hair. So just like a regular deep conditioner, you also wanna use a towel that you don't really care about. My mom's probably gonna kill me if I use this one. So I'm gonna take this off me. Okay, let's get a different towel. Okay. The hair dye is closer to this color, so it won't be as bad. So even though my hair is black on top, it's not gonna change the color of my hair on top, but I still wanna put it on there because, you know, this is a conditioner as well, and my whole head needs to be conditioned. So that is what I'm gonna do. Try to make sure I'm getting every single strand, and I'm just gonna twist it up so it can just sit on it for 10 minutes and, you know, coat every strand and marinate in there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, please don't do this in your room. I am really sacrificing my carpet for y'all right now. Like, don't do this in your room, please. Okay, so I'm all done. I kind of started rushing and did like really large sections in the back, but this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. So the directions say to leave it on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to cover my head with this plastic cap, and then I'm going to put on my hot head cap still because I'm still deep conditioning. This is not just hair color, it's deep conditioner. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so I'll be back. Okay y'all, so my hair is very, very red right now. Okay, it is red. It's just real red. But I mean, that's what I wanted. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like. Like if this thing didn't do its job, sis, this thing did its job. It's very red, but like I said, that was the point. So, you know, here we are. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, I have to be somewhere in literally like an hour ago. So I wanna do a braid out because I need my hair to be out, but I don't have time to sit underneath it, you know, to like let it sit overnight because I was supposed to do this last night, but that didn't happen. So I'm going to, everybody relax, I'm going to blow dry my hair on cool air because I'm not really trying to get it stretched. I'm just trying to get the moisture out of my hair so that my braid out does not take 10 hours to dry. Ciao. How y'all doing? Okay, so this is like the most bootleg This is like the most bootleg blow dry I've ever done. They're like uneven, like girl, I don't know. I just really wanted to get the moisture out of my hair, so I just blow dried it on cool air just to dry it up a little bit. So, all right, for this braid out, I'm gonna use the Hydrating and Twisting Butter by Miche. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair in like medium sections, and then I'm gonna sit underneath a dryer for about an hour and a half so I can have my hair done today. I need it done today, okay? Like, I need it done an hour ago. Alright guys, so I'm back. So here is the final result of my blown out, braid out, whatever. But most importantly, the color though. Are we not back? Are we not back? Let me give y'all 360. You already know. You already know how I do. So, I mean, a few things are back. The red is back. The length is back. Like, the edges are back. Hello? Hello? Tell me, am I not back? I am. It's okay. It's okay. Some of you guys are gonna thumbs down this video because you're not ready to receive all that I'm giving out, and that's okay. You look yourself in the mirror and you ask yourself, is it me or is it you? You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.